taking it slow. Tiny paws out where the sun rays glow. Sniffing the turf, it's a full-time job. We guard this porch like it's Fort Chihuahua. Coco's first, she's checking the scene, squinting at the sun like a drama queen. Rewards accepted, head scratch approved. Then she slides where Chiquita hasn't moved. Backup's chillin', laid out in peace. No barks, no drama, just turf and breeze. Chiquita's posted, eyes on the prize. Meanwhile, Coco's still hunting for flies. They don't play fetch, they play smart. Sunbeam strategy is real dog art. Sniff, sip, stretch, then stare. They're built for naps, not warfare. Final sweep, no intruders today. Two Chihuahua clocking out in their own way. Mission log vibes intact. Tail wags on deck, no need to act. Final sweep, no intruders today. Two Chihuahua clocking out in their own way. Mission log vibes intact. Tail wags on deck, no need to act.
She's licking my finger like it's gourmet. The other one's watching like save me a tray. One's got the throne on the ottoman high. The other's on guard with a watchful eye. Licking and looking and switching the role. Coco's got soul. Chiquita's the queen, but Coco's got soul. They follow me out with no time to spare. They follow me out with no time to spare.
Started with a kiss, now she won't quit. Coco's on a mission, every single lick. Left leg, right leg, oh she don't care. I laugh, I plead, but she's in the zone. This tiny queen thinks my legs her own. No shame, no pause, no chill at all. Spy days in session, y'all.
Just chillin' me and my crew. Just chillin' me and my crew. Sofa Vibe's got nothing to do. Sofa Vibe's got nothing. Then boom, what was that sound? Then boom, what was that sound? We're up, we bark, we scout the ground. From 0 to alert in a blink. Don't test us, Chihuahuas think. We like to wild in record time. Protect the house, it's go time. Just chillin' me and my crew. Just chillin' me and my crew. Sofa Vibe's got nothing to do. Sofa Vibe's got nothing to do. Then boom, what was that sound? Then boom, what was that sound? We're up, we bark, we scout the ground. From 0 to alert in a blink. Don't test. Step to the bowl, grab a bite, stroll away. Yeah, that's right, take your time, no need to rush. Every crunch deserves a hush. Chew, walk, chew again. Dining like a tiny queen. Amen.
Teddy bear's out and she's not amused. One look, one step, she's straight up confused. Round the corner, real slick, no sound. Operation Ditch the Fluff is going down. She gave the look like you for real. Turned her back like I'm done with this deal. Wall stare, drama queen stance. Teddy got no love, not a chance. She sips her drink like a tiny diva, looking at you like please believe her. Toss that bear, she's out of frame. This whole toy thing, not her game. She don't fetch, she don't fake. One wrong move and she'll hit the brakes. This ain't play, this is pride. When the teddy comes out, she hides. So let's take Victory goes to the shy and pink. Teddy got rejected in a blink. She's got attitude, sass, and fair, but she will not play with that teddy bear. Victory goes to the shy and pink. Teddy got rejected in a blink.
R.I.P. little teddy bear toy. Coco came through like a wrecking
Teddy's silent, no more ouch. One wild chomp, one mighty shake. Now the bear's got no escape. R.I.P. little teddy bear toy. Koko came through like a wrecking ball of joy. All nights until the girl will gamble you guy. Thought I'd have to change some tonight. R.I.P. little teddy bear toy. Koko came through like a wrecking ball of joy.
One chew toy, two tiny queens. Chiquita's chomping, you know what that means. Coco's chilling like I'm not mad, but inside she's like, this is sad. She holds her ground, don't throw a fit. She holds her ground, don't throw a fit. Coco's chilling like I'm not mad, but inside she's like, this is sad. She holds her ground, don't throw a fit. Chiquita's done and just quits. Yeah, she just quits, and that's it.
Yeah, nap mode on, but I heard a sound. Someone's getting belly rubs, oh it's going down. I was calm in my bed, zoned out deep, but now my eyes wide, who's still in my sleep? Nap mode on, but I heard a sound. Someone's getting belly rubs, oh it's going down. I was calm in my bed, zoned out deep, but now my eyes wide, who's still in my sleep? I'm at city, I got chaos train. Know my body on the floor, which is saying on me days. Haze to my wine, bite, whistling in trains.
Cleaning my paws, taking my time, chilling in the light where the sunshine shines. Little queen glowing on my turf throne, head held high like I'm sitting on a bone. Sun on my fur and I'm feeling the heat, sipping on nothing but that main dog seed. This is the life, no drama, just chill. If you know, you know, I always keep it real. No, baby, I'm This ain't just a toy, it's a whole lifestyle. Coco's locked in, eyes on the plush pile. Back and forth, she checks the scene. Mission accepted, if you know what I mean. Teddy squad locked, no second guess. This is ride or die, Coco's obsessed.
Don't share, no she don't. Got that chewy, Coco won't. Stare game strong, patience tight. Chewing sweet like every bite. She don't share, no she don't. Got that chewy, Coco won't. Stare game strong, patience tight. Chewing sweet like every bite. And chewing sweet like every bite. Chewing sweet like every bite. Chewing sweet like every bite. Chewing sweet like every bite.
Spontaneous snacks got me chewing like a queen. Sweet potato vibes, you know what I mean. Don't rush me, I'm in my zone. This treat's all mine, go fetch your own. Spontaneous snacks got me chewing like a queen. Sweet potato vibes, you know what I mean. Don't rush me, I'm in my zone. This treat's all mine, go fetch your own. Something in the back, eh? I'm in the front there. I can see something in the pain. I leave the walls, man. And these things, man, I got like promising. I you body to my body, you're my trust to me. Take them like a word. Spontaneous snacks got me chewing like a queen. Sweet potato vibes, you know what I mean. Don't rush me, I'm in my zone. This treat's all mine, go fetch your own. Spontaneous snacks got me chewing like a queen. Sweet potato vibes, you know what I mean. Don't rush me, I'm in my zone. This treat's all mine, go fetch your own. Something in the back, eh? I'm in the front there. I can see something in the pain. I leave the walls, man. And these things, man, I got like promising. I you body to my body, you're my trust to me. Take them like a word.
Hey, I put the treat down, but don't get it twisted. Coco steps close, now she looking suspicious. I guard it like go, got eyes on the prize. I move like a boss while she watching from the side. You thought I was done? Nah, I'm just playing. Try to snatch this treat, I'll be gone, no delaying. Yeah.
Crazy.
Hey, I put the treat down.
She's on a mission, squirrel in sight, digging like a legend all day and night. Ears up, eyes wide, she don't play. Squeakers hiding, but not today. Paw on the prize, she's locking in. Flips it, rips it again and again. Takes a break, then stares like what? Back to the dig, no time to strut. Rolls to her side like she's taking 5, then dives back in, fully alive. Guarding that toy like top secret gear. One eye on the room, the other stays near. No distractions, no retreat. She's got squeaky beef and it runs deep. This ain't fetch, it's a full-on plan. Little Miss Coco taking a stand. So if you see her with that toy in tow, you better believe it, it's part of the show. One dog, one squirrel, no time to chill. This is Coco's world and she's got the skill.
I see that look, yeah, you're watching me chew. Sweet potato vibes and I ain't sharing with you. Hop off the bed like a snack time queen. Coco down there trying to stay unseen. But I know the game, I hold the crown. Mess with my treat, not in this town. I see that look, yeah, you're watching me chew. Sweet potato vibes and I ain't sharing with you. Hop off the bed like a snack time queen. Coco down there trying to stay unseen. But I know the game, I hold the crown. Mess with my treat, not in this town.